Hi, hello, welcome back. Now that you've created and even made your very first chatbot live, it's time to talk customization. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the Visual Builder, the heart of the Activechat platform. It was built to be like a puzzle game, but for adults, more so for businesses. You don't need any technical knowledge or coding. Everything is done with blocks that have one purpose and one purpose only each. A text block, for example, sends a message to the user. A listen block writes down the user's response. A live chat block triggers live chat. To connect them, you only need to drag and drop each block onto an empty space, arrange them in the desired order, and connect in between each other with arrows. Each block has its own dedicated article within our documentation that explains what it does and how to use it. To access said articles, you only need to open the block and click the How Does It Work button on the top right-hand corner, or search for the block's name within the documentation. The logic here is simple. Blocks, much like steps you take every morning to get to work, follow a specific path that leads to the desired outcome. What you need is a script, a description of the path that your users will get through to get the answers they need or to get something done. For example, if you want your users to fill out a form for you, say a feedback form or a lead generation sequence, you will want to have a series of text and listen blocks alternating to ask questions and capture responses, and a lead block at the end to send the results over to you via email. But of course, it doesn't stop there. It doesn't even technically begin, because whatever you could think of, whatever you could imagine in terms of automation, you could do it by simply dragging and dropping blocks. From a lead generation sequence to the live chat schedule, to the login sequence with a one-time password sent via email or SMS, to matching your users with an anonymous pen friend or pushing the data to the CRM of your choosing and getting information from there too. You could even create a game of dice or checkers. With the Visual Builder, there is at least 2 or 3 ways to achieve your goals. As usual, one small step at a time. And by steps, I mean skills. The tabs you could see above, such as Start, Default, Page Visit, Start Live Chat, these are small parts of the bot, each doing its own thing. That's why they're called skills, because of what they can do. For example, the Start skill contains the greeting message that your users will see when starting your bot. It could also have a menu inside or an introduction sequence to get your customer's name and contact details. It's up to you. The default skill is the skill that runs customers' questions through the NLP engine. The page visit skill tracks your customer's location within your website and can send different messages depending on which page a specific customer is on at the moment, how much they've spent there, whether or not they've been to your website before, etc. It is a little bit more complex than simply uploading questions and adding answers, but it provides that ultimate flexibility that will eventually help you in automating a large part of your customer support's daily routine. Let's revise the vocabulary real quick. Visual Builder is the free space to create automations. Blocks are the elements from which the automation scenarios are constructed, and each serves its own purpose. Skills are small parts of your bot that also serve very specific purposes each, and it is strongly advised to create multiple skills rather than multiple blocks inside just one. Give them unique names that will correspond to what they actually do, and also add a description to each if you're planning on bringing more people into the development team. Check the video description to get links to the in-depth videos and articles about the Visual Builder, and book a demo with our team if you would like us to help you with getting started. For now, stay safe, build bots, and have a beautiful day. Talk to you again soon.